Hi, I'm Nisa from Orbtronics. Have you signed up for Opay and need to get through the verification process? Here's how to do so. So you're in the dashboard and you need to click Activate Subscription. This will take you to a Stripe checkout where you just need to click Start Trial. Your trial is processed and now your subscription is active and ready to go. You'd need to connect a Stripe account to start accepting payments. Enter the email address that you signed up with. And here you'd need to add in a phone number for verification purposes. You should receive a verification code to that phone number. If you don't receive the code, you can resend it. Okay, got it. Now the verification process begins by verifying your personal details. So you need to enter your full name as it appears on official government documents and your birth date. Thereafter, you'd need to verify a form of ID. So you can scan using your phone by first scanning the QR code that's on the screen. And it will take you to Stripe verification. Any form of ID will work. So you need to enter your phone number to receive a test code. You'll receive a code and enter it in to verify that phone number. Thereafter, you'd need to verify your identity. So your photo ID must match the details that you had previously entered, such as your legal name, as well as your date of birth. Once that's done, you're almost there. You then need to add in the bank details for your local bank to receive payouts. This would include the account holder name, the SWIFT code, and the account number. Once that's done, you can review your information, your business type, your personal details, and your payout details, and submit. That completes your identity verification by Stripe. Okay.